So I'm heading up to the cabin and we are going to see if it works. So that's a little stream I'm going to use. Whoa! Welcome back everyone to another video. So today we are going to be building a water wheel because we need some electricity up there in the cabin. So what we are going to use is this water pipe and this bicycle wheel.
I started off by cutting the water pipe into smaller but even segments.
Now we're gonna take these small pieces of pipe and we're going to cut them in half to make some flippers for the water wheel. Now that we have all the little flippers we're going to need, let's start moving on to the water wheel or the bicycle wheel.
I separated the bicycle rim from the tire in the inner tube. I then drilled a hole in the center of each spoke screw.
To give our wheel a bit more color, I thought to spray paint it with some yellow. So I made these little markings inside of the flippers. It is in the center and a little bit away from the edge. And this is going to be drilled out to get a screw through that will be attached to the bicycle wheel. Okay, so now I'm just going to use the screw, put it through the plastic like this, or the flipper, and through the wheel, and then this the nut, little teeny nut. So welcome back to the cabin. So we're back at the cabin and I'm going to set up this water wheel near a river, but first we need to take off the shaft and replace it with this longer one right here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna twist these out, where that one's out. The one we want on here is gonna get this nut through. Okay, so with the shaft in, I'm just gonna head down the stream and take the water wheel with me and see where we can set it up.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
So that's a little stream I'm going to use, but first we need to clear it out. It's surrounded by trees and stuff. Look, there's a little praying mantis. Okay, let's get him out of here. Let's get him away.
I try just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I started to build a frame for the wheel to be secured on. and added a few nails to keep the wheel in place. I'm going to use this pipe to help guide water to the wheel.
So in case you are wondering what we are going to use as a turbine to generate electricity, I'm going to use a little bushcraft roll. So I'm going to take the batteries out and remove these two wires, and I'm going to attach these wires to the turbine or to the motor. Just put one of the rods in here. I'm so excited for this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna put a bag over the drill because I don't want that to get wet. Okay, so this is what we got from our water wheel. If I connect the wires to my multimeter, we will get a reading of 1 volt, which is honestly not a lot, but it doesn't mean that it is useless, because there's a lot you can do with 1 volt. You can use it to power your clock, a small DC motor, or even your television remote. But I'm not totally satisfied with this one either. I wanted more power out of this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this back to the drawing board and do a follow-up video for next time. So until then, I'll see you next time. You can even power a light bulb with this. No, I'm kidding. This is one of those rechargeable light bulbs.